What do I eat tonight?
Is this the thought you typically have? Yeah, I pretty much have it every night.
You know, I could have pad thai. I tried to have that earlier in the week, but yeah. So I'm thinking kind of creamy, spicy, and tangy. Okay, so confession, there's no recipe for this one. You might need to take notes. Alright, so first let's get the chicken in the oven. So we have 2 chicken breasts here, put a little olive oil on it, salt, pepper, a little spice. That'll probably take the longest for this recipe. Alright, so broccoli has calcium and vitamin C, like a lot of vitamin C. A cup of broccoli has almost as much vitamin C as a large orange does. Also, we'll do frozen peppers and onions, lazy this week, and brown rice pasta, it's gluten-free. Okay, into the sauce we have soy sauce, sesame oil, chili paste, garlic powder, lime, olive oil, and peanut butter. I'm going to mix up our sauce and set aside for later. Now that we're organized, let's put it all together. Hey, bud. Okay, while we saute these peppers, let's thaw out the broccoli. We're just using a little olive oil to saute. After the peppers, add the mostly thawed broccoli. Next, our finished chicken. It already reached 165 degrees in the oven. Optionally, we could have sauteed the chicken, but sometimes I like some downtime to work on other things. Sauce in and simmer. Peanut butter is pretty awesome. Alright, so the longer we cook, the more liquid evaporates, so we can add water as we go. Oh, almost forgot the noodles. Okay, we're almost done. But wait, there's more. Let's plate up. Or bowl, I don't know. So, you watched until the end. You learned something. Hey, tell your friends.
Is this more of a bowl or a plate? Let me know what you think.